Oh, yeah,
Yeah, that's Smooth podcast.
You do Smooth podcast?
Say it, dog. You're Smooth. Yeah, when I was at Smooth, you was
Oh,
there.
used to.
Wait. When I was there, that was the last episode? Yeah. He fired you? Oh, he's not paying one. I got patai. That's like what's Smooth cooking there in the music's kitchen? What's the Goodman cooking? For real, dog. He's trying to hire you. Look, that's
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosose Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. I former employee ya DJ Sbu yam exposer lapha ku podcast ya Mekji mayitshela bo Mekji ukuthi hayi uSbu akabhadali. Oh, the guy was working for uDJ Sbu. Uthi nje mfana uDJ Sbu akabhadali like le crew ye-Hustlers khona. So une-podcast yakhe uDJ Sbu ebitwa nge-Hustlers khona, and this guy is saying ukuthi leya crew iyakhala ongemali akabhadala uDJ Sbu at one person nje lengafuni ngokubhadala ama-employees akhe. And lokugcine kwenta ukuthi yena agcine nje ekela. Uthi nje ngekela nje ngayekela ngathi yadikuthini. Never sisi no, because imali amashumi, like what about amashumi? Siyasebenza but amashumi, hey, wayengasiniki, wayisilobha. So Bomekji, they were making fun of this issue. Bana sol penduka. We know Mekji na sol penduka, guys. They will always be like that. So they were making fun of this issue, saying, "Oh, how he wanted to Zahara you." So say go to Zahara na yoga wakala. May her soul rest in peace. Uga wakala Zahara ngokuthi uSbu uyamkweleta akafuni kumbhadala. uSbu vele sho ukuthi umuntu ongafuni ngemali. Abantu labantu ukuthi bafuna imali ide kubo, but mabafika ebantwini bakhuluma ngazuthi bona bafuna kuphusha youth, bafuna kuphusha abantu ukuthi baphumelele empilweni. Qhamuke nama-motivations umuntu lana, knowing very well ukuthi ekhoneni akabhadali crew yakhe, knowing very well ukuthi uyabaqola abantu. So this guy was exposing him ukuthi hayi bo uSbu nje imali engaqali akayikhiphi nje, akayikhiphi. Hustlers khona nje nibona akafuni ukukhipha imali umjida. Hawu Nkosi yami, bhadala abantu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.